You know, I spent a long time in New York. I lived there for 13 years. And even though I did an amazing and incredible amount of things, the one thing I never did was go to the Statue of Liberty. Now, I'm not saying that because this is some sort of like memento or little trophy of like my time back in New York. It's just the experience of the New Yorker. You see something every day. It's kind of easy to be like, I'm not gonna go like all the way there. I could see it from here. Am I right? Even though I've zoomed past it a bunch of times by way of plane or boat, I've never actually been on that island. I think for a long time that I was there, it was actually closed. Some big event that happened kind of shut most of New York down, if you catch my drift. But anyway, with this little Lego set, I've got my own Statue of Liberty that I can visit. It's quite easy, because it's just right over there. I just motioned somewhere in my living room. But since this is just audio, I guess I needed to say something. I say all of this with a bit of nostalgia for New York. Because of all the things that I was so close to and never did. But then it makes me think about all the things I did do, which far outweigh and outsize Lady Liberty. Now, I do say all of this with a particular little caveat. Something that maybe not a lot of people know because of how closely the Statue of Liberty is tied to New York. How a symbol it is of New York. How many gift shops you can go to with little statuettes of every size of Lady Liberty. Such an icon. Such an absolute icon. You can almost not think of one without the other. Can't think of New York without the Statue of Liberty. You can't think of the Statue of Liberty without thinking of New York. The very funny thing about that I always think at times like these is that the Statue of Liberty is actually in New Jersey.